Hi, I'm David Stewart, a physical therapist with Health Related Home Care.
And I'm Amy Geary. I'm also a physical therapist with Health Related Home Care.
And we're here today to show you some of the exercises you might have been assigned by your home therapist for low back pain. This is not an inclusive list, but it's a good starting point if you do have low back pain. Now, if any of these cause you increased back pain or severe back pain, just follow the direction of your home therapist. The first one we'd like to do is something we call a single knee to chest stretch. You're basically just bringing your knee up to your chest, and you're going to grab your knee and you're going to pull that slowly to your chest until you feel a stretch in your back. And you will hold that about 20 or 30 seconds. If this causes you any knee pain, you could grab behind the knee and do the stretch as well. Good. Now, a variation of that same exercise would be something called a double knee to chest stretch. And you would do the same thing, except you'd hold both legs. And you'd want to hold that for 20 or 30 seconds. And then you should feel a slight stretch in your lower back. And then if this causes you any knee pain, you can also hold underneath your knee to see if that helps any. Good. And the next one we're going to do is something called bridging. And what we'll do is we'll feet bent up just like this, and Amy will raise her bottom up until she feels a good stretch, and she'll hold it for a second, and she'll come back down. And some folks say that the higher they go on this, the more pain it causes. So if you're going up too high and it's causing you too much pain, maybe don't go up quite as high. Maybe just go a little bit lower. And then another one we like to do is something called a hamstring stretch. What you'll do is you'll take one leg and grab behind the knee, and then you'll try to kick your foot straight up. And a lot of times it won't go completely straight, but you should feel a pull behind your leg, behind your knee, into your bottom and into your low back. And just like the other stretches, you want to hold for 20 or 30 seconds. And on all these stretches, we like you to do them at least 3 to 5 times. Good. And the last one that we do is something called trunk rotations. What you'll be doing is laying on your back, keep your shoulders flat on the bed, and you'll allow your knees to kind of fall to one side, and you should feel a gentle pull in your low back. And you want to hold this for 20 or 30 seconds on each side and do 3 to 5 stretches on each side. Good. Now, that's not a complete list of all the exercises you might have been given for your low back pain, but this is something that you can do at home to hopefully alleviate some of the back pain you're experiencing.